Restores heating performance on systems with damaged temperature valves, doors. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. Fits. 2010 to 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. AC-Delco GM original equipment HVAC temperature valves are mechanical doors or flaps that control the amount of heat directed to the cabin based on the temperature control settings and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. The temperature valve is positioned by an actuator or cable and controls temperature by proportioning the airflow through and around the heater core. These original equipment HVAC temperature valves have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. This is the item you need if you have the infamous broken blend door issue. Look up how to fix it yourself on the web and you will save $3,000.